Hello everyone, I am Mehuli Modak and I am a partnership strategist with Mavenwit. And today I'll be introducing Increff to you. Retail is changing faster than ever. We have all seen it. You walk into a store and they are out of stock, or you see piles of unsold items sitting in clearance bin. For customers, it's frustrating. For retailers, it means lost sales, heavy markdowns, and wasted money. The truth is, traditional system just can't keep up with the speed and complexity of modern retail. That's where Increff comes in. Increff is a cutting-edge SaaS platform designed to transform how retailers manage inventory and supply chains. Using advanced analytics and cloud-based technology, Increff makes sure every product is in the right place at the right time. What does that mean? Fewer stockouts, fewer markdowns, more happy customers, and for businesses, higher sales, stronger margins, and smarter opportunities. Increff gives retailers complete visibility across stores, warehouse, and channels. Orders are automatically routed to the best fulfillment location. Inventory is optimized across every channel, and customers get what they want faster and more reliably. The results speak for themselves. Leading fashion, lifestyle, and e-commerce brands across the globe are already using Increff. On average, our clients reduce inventory holding by 20%, while increasing full price sell through 15%. That's not just efficiency, that's a measurable impact. The future of retail isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. With Increff, retail moves from reactive fighting to proactive data-driven growth. Instead of struggling with Increff efficiency, they are focused on what matters the most: diligent customers and scaling profitability. Increff empowers businesses to stay ahead in one of the most competitive industries in the world. And now, here is the exciting part. Increff is not just transforming retails, we are also opening doors for ambitious individuals and professionals to grow with us. That is through our affiliated program. Here is how it works. If you bring in businesses that signs up with Increff, you earn a 40% revenue share on every sale. That's one of the most rewarding partnership models in the industry. Think about it. Every client you help onboarding gives you a significant and recurring income opportunity. So this program is perfect for consultants, freelancers, industry professionals, or anyone with a strong network in retail, e-commerce, or technology. You don't need to build the product. You don't need to run the operations. Increff takes care of everything. All you need to do is connect the dots and you earn a substantial share for your efforts. It's a chance to create a steady income stream while being associated with one of the fastest growing retail tech platform in the world. So if you are ready to be a part of this, just join the journey. All you need to do is visit the site increff.com and then click on the partners under the quick links. And after that, you get this form interface where you just fill this form and submit the application. And that's all. That's how you become a partner with us. With Increff, it's not just about transforming retail. It's about creating opportunities, reducing waste, boosting profitability, and building success together. The future of retail is smarter, faster, and more substantial. It's sustainable. The only question is, Are you ready to join us? So that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss on an update. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, and the further details will be mentioned in the description box. Thanks for watching and see you again. Thank you.